All right, good morning, ladies and gents. Today we're going to continue learning about the Fafsa. I know for a lot of you guys this is going to be a very important form, so I want to make sure that you guys understand it and you feel comfortable working with it. So in part one, you're going to click on a short video and you're going to see how kids are using or how they're paying for college and using financial aid. They've got some tips in there, and that's what you're going to include here. What tips does she provide that you can use? In part two, there's a lot of myths out there about financial aid, so much so that a big chunk of graduating seniors don't even apply for FAFSA. I mean, that doesn't make any sense. You should at least apply and see what you get. I mean, it doesn't cost you anything, and you could just end up with a benefit on the other side. So I don't see any reason not to apply. And you don't have to take it. Even though you apply, you don't have to take the money if you decide it's, not what you want to do. And in part three, again, these are all videos. All three of these have videos. They're going to get a little more into FAFSA and how does it work. I'm just trying to get you guys to understand the process. There's a lot. It can be overwhelming when you start getting into these different government forms and trying to understand everything. So this gives you a little experience with it and gives you a little bit more of a comfort level. So next year, when you're applying for your FAFSA, you've already kind of been through the process. So hopefully you'll have more of a comfort with that. All right, ladies and gents, hope you have an awesome Tuesday and everything's going well.